Hey boys and girls, I'm Dustin Mankin, and today on Tomica Tuesday we are unboxing a car from the Gurachan collection.
I can trust myself, I believe in now.
What's in it? I don't know. That's the point. But I can tell you from the back of the box what it might be. So on the back of the box we have a total of 6 different cars, and each car has a variant color. So there are a total of 12 cars in this collection. We have a Camry 4-door, both in like a pinkish purple and a red. We have a red Cosmo AP and a white Cosmo AP. We have a 330 Cedric, and I don't know if that's a purple or a blue. I'm colorblind, so you guys are gonna have to forgive me on that. I do know though the other color is silver with black over fenders, and this is the one that I really want from this collection, so I'm really hoping we can get it. We also have a 231 Laurel. We have a, once again, blue or purple, I don't know, and a red. We have a goldish 30 Leopard, and we also have it in silver. And we also have a 430 Cedric, both in white and looks like a purplish pink. Probably about the same color as this Camry 4-door up there, which we all know the Camry 4-door goes by the name of Yomeri. So like I said, I really want to get that silver Cedric with the black fender flares. That's the chase. Can I get it? I don't know. Here are 2 of the 3 boxes that I have bought. Out of 3, I don't know. I don't want to waste too much money because each one of these boxes is about $7 each. And I mean, in 3 cars, I already spent $21. I don't want to spend too much money on the grab bag cars. I don't know, because what happens if you get like 4 of the same car and then all of a sudden you're out like, you know, $28 or something like that, and you don't have anything to show for it. So I got 3. Let's hope I can get what I want. We're gonna open this guy up right now. There's no punch places to punch in the card, so we're just gonna go for a loose corner here. And I hope that this I hope that this goes better than the TS050 for taking the book out. It looks actually like it didn't do too bad. And previously Gurachans have had some paper, so that does make it, oh, there we go, look at that mystery. It's more of a mystery. Here's the box. We don't need that. Let's go back down here. And I am just gonna flip this over. And there is some paper on here that we are going to take out. Let's go like that. How's that? There we go. All right, we got the tissue paper out and stuck to me. The suspense is building. Let's just flip it over and take a look. There we go. Looks like in the second episode, the first unboxing, I have gotten exactly what I wanted. So, well, there goes the suspense on that one. Let's take a look at this guy. Let's open up this clamshell and let's see what it looks like. Now, I can tell you from previous videos, I'm not going to do it today. Like I said, if you want to know more about the Gurachan collection, there are a couple of really good unboxing videos, and you can follow them by clicking on the box in the corner, but I'll also put a link down in the description below. But these guys are really high detail, and there is 1 screw. So if you have a small screwdriver, like, I don't want to say specifically a watch screwdriver, but I do believe it is either a 0 or a 00. You can take these off. And these cars do roll, but they don't roll so well because actually it's an adult collectible. It's not really a toy for kids. And the tires, I know you can't tell here, but the tires are made of rubber. And the problem with that is sometimes The rubber does not sit on the wheel so easy, and it is really easy to make the rubber kind of get off from the wheel. And for that, man, I don't recommend getting them for kids and letting kids play with them. I don't recommend you drifting them or doing anything crazy like that either. It is mainly something to sit on your desk and enjoy like a reasonable adult. I can't believe I just said that. Anyways, the detail of these cars is very, very high. I hope that the GoPro can capture that and show you just how high quality this is. You can see that the headlights are sitting in at an angle. Like, these are very, very, very Shakotan style. And it's a really, really great car. You have the really huge diffuser, the black over fenders, the really awesome wing, and these kind of flat, I don't want to call them a Wangan wing, but these kind of like whale tail exaggerated spoilers have become staples of the Boso Zoku style. And you can see you have some really exaggerated side steps. In real life, this would make this car pure hell to get in and out of as a passenger. And somebody's like, hey, don't break my side steps. And I'm like, well, don't make them stick 3 feet off of the car, dude. But this is a really awesome rendition of this car. You can see they've painted the side markers here. The detail is really good. This is a separate plastic grille with separate plastic inserts for the headlights. I do believe your side markers are just paint applications. These wheels, I believe, are supposed to be Hayashi Racing. I heard from someone that collects diecast in Japan that a lot of people buy these cars just to get these wheels so they can put them on their Tomica and stuff and make custom cars. I don't know about that. We will wait and see, because I'm sure over time I will get plenty of duplicates of these Gurachan cars. And if that happens, I'm definitely going to use the wheels for something. And that also opens me up to be able to put wheels from like the collector. Like, you know, you can order really, really nice wheels online, like $10 a set. And if I stole these wheels for another project, that would leave me available to put some of those wheels on here. I don't think that's necessarily a bad situation. The tail lights are actually plastic embedded down in there. I don't know if you can see it, but they are plastic embedded down in there. The paint is a very nice glossy finish. Overall, I think this is an awesome car. I'm really happy with all of the Gurachan collection that I have opened. Like I said, the downside is you could get a lot of duplicates, triplicates, even more so than that. But like the actual quality of the car, it's definitely a $7 die cast. They're really, really high quality. And I think if it's something that you would be interested in, that I could track down and order you some, and I could get those to you. So if you're interested in these Gurachan die-cast collectibles, send me a message in the comments below. If you're on my Facebook, go ahead and you can message me on Facebook, message me on Instagram, and I will try to get back with you. That is it for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one. But before you go, if you like this video, please hit that like and share button and get this video out to as many people as you can. That's what helps me grow. If you would like to do something for yourself and for some reason you have not done so already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. That is not for me. That is for you. That always has been for you, and that's just so you can see the latest videos that come out from Japan. Every Friday I have a new car video. Usually it is drift related content. If you like classic cars, I do go to a couple of big classic car shows throughout the year, and there are sometimes classic car videos as well. I also document my life in Japan for people that are interested in seeing the real Japan. This car is primarily see, I told you, this channel is primarily a car-centric channel. So if you guys like cars, if you guys like Japan, if you guys like diecast, this is the place for you to be. Welcome aboard. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Next week on Tomica Tuesday, we unbox this Tomica S13 Sylvia with an Edo-inspired paint job.